Hey everyone! Apple just finished its big annual developer conference and dropped a ton of exciting updates for the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and even the Vision Pro. But there was one device that barely got mentioned at all, the Apple TV. A lot of people thought Apple had forgotten about its streaming box. But don't worry, they didn't. Apple is bringing a major upgrade with tvOS 27, and it's packed with meaningful improvements that will make your Apple TV feel brand new again. This update focuses heavily on speed, smoothness, and making everyday use much more enjoyable. Let's break down everything that's coming. First and most importantly, the overall performance has received a massive boost. Apps now launch up to 30% faster than before. That means less time staring at loading screens and more time actually watching your favorite shows. The entire interface feels snappier and more responsive. Whether you're switching between apps or scrolling through menus, everything just moves better. The control center has also been improved. It's now much more fluid and responsive. Navigating between tabs and settings feels smooth with no lag or stuttering. It's one of those small changes that makes a big difference in daily use. AirPlay has seen one of the best upgrades in this update. Connecting from your iPhone or iPad to the Apple TV is now significantly faster and more reliable. Even from older devices, the connection happens almost instantly. Sending audio to HomePods or other speakers is just as quick. If you frequently use AirPlay, this improvement alone will feel like a game changer. One of the biggest app overhauls in tvOS 27 is the podcast app, which has been completely redesigned. The old version felt outdated and clunky. The new app looks modern, clean, and much more functional. It now properly supports both audio and video podcasts, with a dedicated section highlighting the best video shows. Navigation is much easier thanks to a new sidebar that lets you quickly jump between channels, categories, and recommendations. It finally turns your Apple TV into a proper entertainment hub for podcasts. Apple Music is also getting some love. The biggest addition is lossless audio support up to 24-bit/192 kHz. Audiophiles are going to be very happy with this. You'll also get new playback features like auto mix and customizable crossfade, so your playlists sound smooth and professional. Playlists now load almost instantly too. There are also several useful changes hidden in the settings menu. Game controller support has been improved with better recognition and customization options. There's now a dedicated AppleCare section where you can easily check your warranty status and coverage details directly on the TV. And for people with storage concerns, Apple is introducing smarter app downloads that automatically remove unnecessary language files, saving you valuable space. Another interesting new feature is called Smart Downloads. While Apple didn't share full details yet, it looks like the system will intelligently preload your favorite content so shows start playing faster. We'll have to wait for the final version to see exactly how powerful this becomes. Overall, tvOS 27 feels like a very thoughtful update. It's not full of flashy new features, but it focuses on making the Apple TV faster, smoother, and more enjoyable to use every single day. If you own an Apple TV, this update is definitely worth looking forward to. It should make your streaming experience noticeably better across the board. What do you think? Are you excited for tvOS 27? Or do you feel Apple needs to do more for the Apple TV? Let me know in the comments below.